Hi guys, I am Dr.S.Nandhabalaji. Today we are discuss about the nanomaterials of carbon nanotubes preparation by pulsed laser deposition method. First of all, what are carbon nanotubes? What are the types of carbon nanotubes? In this carbon nanotube is a dangerous material. Carbon nanotubes is a very thin tube material. In this material, very strength and highly controlled material. What are the types of carbon nanotubes? Carbon nanotubes have several types. One is single walled carbon nanotube and another one is multi-walled carbon nanotubes and nano rods, nano fluorescence, nano buds. These are the types of carbon nanotubes. In these carbon nanotubes in futures, like as a very good applications like as transportations of waves one end to another end. Carbon nanotubes are cylindrical large molecules consisting of a hexagonal arrangement of hybridized carbon atoms which may be formed by rolling up. A single sheet of carbon or graphene is rolled in a sheet. Rolling up multiple sheet of graphene is called as a multi-walled carbon nanotubes. A single sheet of graphene called as a single-walled carbon nanotubes. In this image is shown in the figure. Graphene sheet is like as a sheet material in the fluorescence carbon material. In this fluorescence carbon materials like to rolled up of nanotube materials. In this material, it's a high level lengthy material, very low breadth material. In this carbon nanotube synthesized in a three different types of work. One is electric arc discharge, laser ablation method, chemical vapor deposition method. In carbon nanotubes mostly prepared by pulsed laser deposition method. In this pulsed laser deposition method mainly focused in the Nd:Ag laser method. This technique involves laser beam like as Nd:Ag lasers. It used to vaporize a graphite target placed inside the oven. The oven to be filled with helium or argon gas at a pressure of 500 torr. The temperature of oven maintained at 1200 degrees Celsius. Graphite target contains small amount of CO and act as catalysis nucleation. Pulsed laser beam is incident on the target. Argon sweep the carbon atom from the high temperature. These are the schematic diagram of the pulsed laser ablation. In Nd:Ag lasers are below in the material. The colder copper collector collects the carbon atoms. The nanotubes deposits are removed from water cooled collectors. Carbon nanotubes at 100 nanometers are produced. Graphite conversion is greater than 85%. Reaction temperature can control the tube diameter. Typical diameter of multi-walled carbon nanotube, outer diameter 2 to 20 nanometer, inner diameter is 1 to 3 nanometer. This is the reference of these materials. In this carbon nanotube is a featured material like as transportation of waves like data transportation or wave transportation, light transportation, electricity transportation. These kind of transportations is the applications of these carbon nanotubes. In this carbon nanotubes have a lot of medical applications also. We have discussed about that materials in next class. Thank you guys.